up everybody? Welcome to my new vlog. So right now we are going to the movies and yeah, we're going to watch some movies, the Michael Jackson movies. I got to watch The Devil Wears Prada I think last week, so yeah, right now we're going to watch the movies and then after that have dinner. So yeah, I'll talk to you during dinner. Bye. So we are done now. We are done right now. We are done and yeah, we are going to look for food. I know most restaurants are closed right now, but we're gonna try a lot. So yeah, let's go. How was the movie? It was nice actually. It was nice. Yeah, it was nice. Not complaining, really and truly. It's a movie about Michael Jackson, so a lot of things will be positive. If you were expecting any negatives about Michael Jackson, maybe a documentary will come up, and that's where the skeletons come out and everything else. Like in this movie, Michael Jackson only had brothers. So, because we all know this had drama, negative things, but yeah, otherwise, let's go.
Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you acting strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. I know how you used to do. When you're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody said, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. You're kind of shady, ain't calling me baby. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you acting strange. If nobody's holding you back from me, I know how you used to do. When you're saying everything to me, don't you? Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name.
Thank you so
say,
much.
Baby, I love you.
I am so tired, and the install is, you have 30 minutes. You have 30 minutes. Otherwise, yeah, I better fix that one of these days, Yeah. Please subscribe. Otherwise, a like will be appreciated. And a comment suggesting anything, advice, what you would like to see on the next vlog. But please do. Don't hold back. Please do. Otherwise, I love you guys. Bye.
Say my name, say my name. go down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be no reason why you act strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. I know how you do. You're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Baby, I love you. Call me yours. Say my name, say my name.
I guess you can do it.
Tell me
How
what
much
you
is it?
like to do, baby. Whoa. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Shady.
No, that's not.
Baby, my name. Say my name. No one is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Say my
I'm using my hands with young bamboo and I can't even get my proper bites of it. Yo, I'm full. Okay, right now we are done eating and now we are going back home. Yeah. Right now we are at Zara and we are getting, I don't know what, Jones. My mind is full. I don't get it here, so I'm not sure. Thinking about it. Thank you. Hey y'all, I'm back. I just finished up and man, I got back quite late. Hey, the way late, I'm the way late, but I've settled down and I'm like, why not continue what I said I would do, which is unboxing my, what's this, my coffee machine, and then yeah, some of the things I got. So first things first, I got this. I know I didn't show it in the video, but they were running out and I had seen them way, I think around April. So I saw them and I was like, I want one of these. And now I just saw on the shelf that there was like 2 left, and I was like, I want it. And they were like, get it. So shout out to, you know. So, and also shout out to for adding these new babies to my collection. I love them so much. They smell kind of similar, but I also can differentiate between the two of them. So I love them so much. I think it still smells on me. I think I like this one better. But yeah, maybe I'll grow into loving this one too. I don't know. Otherwise, yes, let's go continue with that side and figure out how to work this machine. Also, I'm kind of tired. I'm kind of full and tired. So yeah, let's go. I think first warning about this is that I do not have much of a kitchen counter space. So that's going to be a challenge. That's going to be a challenge. I don't know how I'm going to put it and stuff. But this, unbox it first and then we'll sort that out right after. I think we're going to put it inside. Check.
Rock with me now.
Brand new Chris Brown, T-Pain. You heard it here first. Nappy Boy Radio. We love you. Well, this is the same car. Big girl patches. Big girl patches. Big girl patches. Clappers. Guys, I'm struggling. I'm an egg. I was struggling.
Stop.
Sorry.
And that is it, y'all. It works perfectly. There's some things that I still need to buy, but otherwise I'm loving it. I have to get the milk frata. I think I understand it's the milk frata or something like that. And yeah, I need to ask her again where I can get it. Otherwise, I love it and it's perfect. Yeah, catch you guys on the next day or two. I'm not sure when I'm gonna continue recording, and I always say that, and then the next day I'm recording again. I like vlogging, but the editing part, but it's fine, I'll manage. I just have to like create a schedule around it, because I cannot work like this, otherwise I will never drop a video. Otherwise, bye guys.
Paint your nails. Paint your nails the way I like them. I'm gonna paint mine too. 'Cause I don't do inside the home. It's inside you. Oh.
up, y'all? Today's a Sunday, by the way, and I am going to Ayanda's place. She is making something for dinner for us, so it's just gonna be me and her. Yeah, I cooked last time. I made butter chicken curry. Today she's making, I think she'll tell us. I do know what it is, I just forgot. And there's a table, so this table today. And I wanted to take you guys with me. I'm quite late. We agreed on 3. Now it's 3:30, so I'm quite late. I don't know if she hates late people. I don't know. I've been late a couple of times, but I shouldn't make it alone. It's just that I've been cleaning, guys. I've been cleaning this whole entire place. So, and plus I woke up at 12 and I had to clean. I was like, today's a Sunday, let me just reset, clean up, and and also had to reinstall this thing. But we made it. Let's go see and have some delicious food and talk. Let's go.
Will you rev me up? Start by yourself and leave it and try. Reaching you against the wall again. This is my to show me, baby. Don't say a word, everything you need and more. Let's get in position, girl. You gon' do what you gon' do what I say. You gon' do what you gon' do what I say.
Hello, what's up, y'all? Today we are going to the mall for my mom. I want to get a few things for her. She came here, PTA, doing some things, I don't know what, but she said that she would come by. And yeah, I was like, you know what, she asked me a long time ago for these things, so let me just go get it for her and then quickly come back. Yeah, and yeah, give it to her when she arrives. So it's just like a pair of boots that I got for myself, and she liked them, so I was like, I'll get them for you. And yeah, I don't know what else. She said that she wants food. She asked for food. When I told her, I want to stop by the mall, so if you come by before I'm back, you're gonna have to wait until I'm back. So let's go do that. I wanted to also like go to the mall for some things, but now I don't like being rushed. I want to shop properly. I wanted to shop for winter essentials. Most of the things I got already, like clothes, my apartment essentials, just prepare for winter, but we're in the midst of winter. We're in it. So, yeah, most of the things I got. Now it's just going to be the touch-up things, but that's going to be for next time because now I'm in a rush. I'm just going to get my mom the boots. I might get her a thing or two, also for my little brother. I don't know. We'll just see. I got my boots at Mr. Price, so I'm gonna check them out at Mr. Price. If I can't find them, I'll move over to H&M and all those other stuff. But I have to hurry. Really and truly, I have to hurry. I don't want to make them wait, and my mom doesn't like waiting also, and I don't want to be rushed. And now everyone is just like cranky, moody, So yeah, let's go. We're waiting for my Uber, so while we wait, let me just show you my outfit. Don't mind the hat situation. I really need to invest in beanies because now I'm in a rush. I cannot install, prepare my hair, whatever. I love wigs, by the way, so I don't do braids a lot. So in situations like this, a beanie would be useful. Really, now I'm wearing this hat, so I'm wearing these shoes, tights I got from Shein. These tights, I like them so much, and they're wide. You see, they're not like tight or anything like that. This hoodie, I messed it up with bleach. Here, I messed it up with bleach, so I think I'm gonna move over this thingy, this side, because just to cover it a bit. Yeah, and then yeah, that's my fit. Maybe when I go back to the mall, because now I won't have time, but I'll see if I can grab a beanie on my way. Yeah, my Uber has arrived. Let's go.
Living lovely, just lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me just love me. and ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function. No assumptions. Feeling like Tyson with it. Look at how Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder, I know it coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. I'm feeling go out. This feeling don't drought. This party won't end.
So I did find some things for her. It's quite a lot. But okay, I'm still, I think right now I'm in a rush. So I can understand people can't vlog in public, eh? Just pull out your camera and talk to your camera. But yeah, now I'm done. I'm going to pay, then move over to Food Lovers. My mom is a very picky eater. She doesn't like spices, man. So I'm gonna grab her something at Food Lovers instead. Otherwise, yeah, let me go pay, and then that's it. That's good. I think I'll get all this. Yep, that. We made it back, y'all. I remember I texted someone, I'm headed to a mall now at 10 to 3. Now it's 3:45. So, and I said that I have an hour to just be at the mall and then come back. I thought I wouldn't make it. Usually I stay for longer. But this time I was like, thing is, I knew what I was getting. I knew what I was getting, and yes, I did a few extra things because I also stopped by the ATM to withdraw some money to get to my mom, you know. Anyways, what did I get? I got the boots that I said, and then that I said I would get, yeah. And then I also got her a pajama set. There's this cute pajama set that I got. I love it so much. Woo. So I got these boots. I'm sure I would have found them at H&M, but they would have cost me more. I got her these boots. Mine are black. Same boots. Mine are black. And then wait. I think I'm gonna take out everything. But yeah, it's this pajama set. I don't know if I showed you in the video. It's very nice, very comfy. It's not like the one at H&M. Like that one is like raw for. It's giving formal. I don't know. We're going to bed or what. So I didn't get that one. I got these ones. And also these were also cheap. I was like, but also cheap, man. I don't know. She will tell me after a month or two, say how are they, how's the quality and all. But also, I think everything would have cost me because I also got her a dress, and then the set, and then some socks. And she's been complaining, it's like she's been wearing the same pajamas since like, you know. So I was like, you know what, let me get her pajamas too, and then the boots as promised, delivering. And then the dress, because I know she loves those type of dresses. She once borrowed me her skirt. It's the same thing, almost the same thing. Let me just quickly show you the dress. It's this one, but I don't know if she has this color. I think she's gonna appreciate it so much. And also it's like clothes. Yeah, when I like, if I like it, my mom doesn't like opening thingy. No, she doesn't like that. She's gonna be able to put on a jacket or something just to cover her arms. Yeah, my mom is quite a picky person, so it's hard for me to shop for her. But yeah, and then I went to Food Lovers to get her fish and whatever. But then I was like, you know what, let me just come back and quickly put something together. On the way I was regretting. I'm like, what I wanted to make mince, and you know, so now I'm thinking mince has a lot of spices. How am I gonna work around that? Like, oh, my mom is such a picky person. But I will see how I manage that. And then I also got a beanie for myself, but then it didn't have a price tag. Now they had to go. I was like, no, let's just leave it. I'll get it some other time. And yeah, no, it's I'm here. So let me get into it before they arrived. I thought by the time I get back they would have arrived, but clearly not. Imagine if I waited for her to go with her to the mall. They would have been like, no, we can't go, you'll send them through. So I wanted her to leave with them. Now I don't have to send them through by courier. So let me just like quickly cook that. I'll show you what I made right after, and then we're closing this. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, Bandla. Please do subscribe, and also comment down below if there's anything you want to recommend, suggest, or just say, share some dinner lapel. And then yeah, please hit that like, that like, comment, subscription, that like. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.
Said I'll be going down.